See, the timer's stopping and starting. I'm not touching anything. It's 14 seconds and it's 30 some minutes. Now it's not moving. I'm not doing anything, and it's not my internet. So I don't think I'm going to use the clock for a while again, because this is not working. Now it's at a second again. So I've totally lost track time here of what I've been doing. It was at 30 minutes and now we're at 10 seconds, and now it doesn't want to move again. So hopefully this helps determine what on earth is going on. Because I hate to say it, but I think some of the clients are getting dinged for stuff that, see, now we're at 33 minutes again. It seems a little unreliable. Now look at the clock. It's taken off like crazy. Now it's slowed down. So there you go. Hopefully that helps. Thanks.